Today we're going to check out MEL Science, which is a company that provides science kits to students of all ages for them to enjoy at home, whether they're a homeschooler, just a student interested in science, maybe they got it as a gift from another family member or family friend. And I think it's a really cool way for kids to be interested and stay interested in science. I'm putting a link down below. I am an affiliate. And in this video, one of the things I want to accomplish is opening up a kit that I got from MEL Science because I asked them, hey, what are your kits all about? I haven't opened it. I don't know what's in it. And we're going to check that out in this video and see if it's worth it. I do want to show you there are resources on this website that are free. And we're going to just go ahead and scroll down until we get to them so that we can take a look together. If you're a teacher, I think this is also a valuable resource for you to maybe come up with some interesting ideas with your students. All the way at the end of the page, click on Articles. Here you have a bunch of experiments and useful articles that anybody can go ahead and use. And we're not going to spend a lot of time on this today, but certainly if you got a science project you have to do with your child, interested in maybe coming up with something, building something, etc., definitely check out this free resource. But now let's check out a kit. All right, I'm going to open up the bag. Came in the mail, and what do we have here? Oh, look at this. The Chemistry of Materials. That's the name of this kit. You'll see that it says 10 plus on it. So you're going to pick kits according to the age of your child. And here on the back, it tells you exactly what's on it and gives you some warnings as well. Here, this is a kit that you would not use without adult supervision. That's another thing. You can go ahead and pick kits where you don't have to worry about your child doing it on their own versus something like this where you want to go ahead and accompany your child as they're going through the kit. So now the fun part, of course, is to open it. Oh, cool. It also gives me kind of a lowdown of what's in the kit. In this one, we have plaster crafts. It says 2 hours, chemical worms, 15 minutes, and plastics and iodine 1 hour. On the box I was just opening, it also instructs you what to take from the lab kit. The starter kit that you see here from the website is what you would get with the first kit if you are receiving chemistry kits from MEL Science. Specifically for the lab kit that I'm checking out, you need the beaker, a couple of plastic cups. It says 3 safety glasses, a safety underlay, and a smartphone stand. That's all provided here. All right, with that pulled from the general kit, you have your cards here. You have the different materials that you need, even the measuring spoons, pair of gloves, all of that. Your cards, they give you all your directions here. There's also the videos online that you could follow along. It really gives you enough information that you can go ahead and follow and do some chemistry experiments. It's really cool. The only thing I would say that I would maybe like to see in the future was a little bit more on the background chemistry, maybe online for a child to go ahead and research some more. But I have to say that it's all included. It's there. You get the main supply kit, and then you pull what you need, you use it, and now you have it for the next kit that would arrive the next month. Just one other thing, if you sign up with their annual plan, you're going to get 12 months of science for the price of 8. If you click on the link below, I am an affiliate. It's at no additional cost to you, but then I get credit if you go ahead and you check it out. I think it's worth it. If you have a kid interested in science, definitely a way for them to explore both with you and on their own. Have a great day.